Oh, calm down, Blake.
We know about it. Yes. Ethan Mars is the origami killer.
You're just talking bullcrap, Blake. It's possible, but no need to like overreact immediately. Okay, so that was an extremely short cutscene. Now we just have a loading screen with Shelby on it. Oh, cool, golf club. Wolfman. And there's Shelby. Pathetic couple. Guess I have to talk to this guy then.
Nice shot. Thank you. Please come in.
As if I actually saw it.
What's again for a coffee? Oh, no thanks.
Oh, I wanted the coffee.
Do you play? I tried once, but I think the owner of the course is still looking for it. It's an interesting sport. It requires strength, but also a cool head and absolute precision. But you can't hit a few balls with it. It's a little dangerous.
That sounds very wrong to me.
Okay. Take off your jacket and grab a coffee.
Okay then. Let's try it.
Bring that down.
Thanks. Doesn't look much like a basket, but okay. It's more like a shelf on the ground. Okay, let's see if I'm good at golf.
The most important thing is to grip the club correctly. When you feel ready, you swing.
Okay. Let's see. Woo!
Impressive.
Wow, pretty far.
You seem to have a knack for it. Beginner's luck.
Yeah, beginner's luck, whatever. I'm just kidding, I almost never play golf, so now I'm actually pretty impressed with myself.
I'm assuming you didn't invite me here just to play golf.
Oh, so this is like the Kramer guy.
Questions about my son. That's right. I want to know if Gordy is linked to the origami killer text in any way.
Okay, let's just play another one. Let's just shoot another one.
My son had nothing to do with that.
What, right in between two more balls?
Well, then you have nothing to fear from my investigation.
I sound like I'm being sarcastic.
You have no business investigating my son. I told you, he has nothing to do with it.
I hope we're not protecting him.
With all due respect, Mr. Kramer,
From him laughing at that cartoon so ridiculously like, I'd say it's just really childish. I'm not even gripping the thing. Okay.
I'm an influential man. I don't pay very well for the boy. Are you trying to buy me?
No, I'm trying to rent you.
I'm trying to show you where your interests lie. How much do you
I don't see how the verb buy is actually used when you're trying to bribe someone.
I don't play that game.
Like, I just don't understand it. Buying something means like to own it, would pay to own it and stuff.
Have a nice day, Mr. Kramer.
So, doesn't make sense. It was a good golf session, wasn't it?